Up front, let's talk about the February 14th surprise. Investors were caught off guard with the 100% acquisition of a virtual currency exchange. We already had a discussion on real estate, tourism, and mining. We're just going to replay this here for reference. Then we have the agri-tech side of the PHA business. There were already a lot of clues on this, so it's just a matter of waiting for the projects to be announced. Based on the disclosure, the Squidpay group will end up controlling 55% of PHA, and Squidpay in turn will become the subsidiary of PHA. The initial 300 million payment has already been made. For e-banking, Squidpay has already submitted the application for a license with the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Then we have a quick look at the new members of the Board of Directors of PHA, um, which shows that they have the necessary experience and expertise for the businesses of PHA. For the chart, some say this is a double top, but if we consider all the other indicators, most likely not a double top. First, let's look at the MACD. It's going to the bullish side. And if we look at the weekly chart, it's actually on a parabolic level with the existing movement towards the upper trend line. For the day chart, please check the previous notes. Corrective wave ABC has been completed. What comes next should be a 5-wave move up. PHA is currently on a wave 3, which appears to be divided into 5 subwaves. The inverted head and shoulders pattern should act as a strong kickoff point for the move up. We should remember that wave 3 is the longest of the 5 waves. Most likely a gap up on Monday and a strong surge up. That's it. Bye.